guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a business conference like this. So without wasting much of your time, it's poster, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, when you have your PowerPoint like this, you have to change the layout. So I'm moving over here to change the layout to blank. So I'm going to the design tab, and also from there I'm going to change the slide size. So I'm just going to customize it and give it A4 here. Alright, so from there I'm choosing the portrait and click on OK and click on maximize. Alright, so as we now have our A4 sheet like this, the first thing that I would like us to do is to go to the insert tab there. So you're going to insert a shape. So which shape are you going to insert? I think this shape right here, which is the rectangle triangle. The rectangle. Sorry, not rectangle triangle, it's just rectangle. So when I click on the shape like this, I just have to come and draw it like this. Alright, so I'm just going to position it at the right side of our worksheet. Alright, so I think this way. Alright, so the outline, I'm going to remove the outline. So I'm going to give it no outline. The outline is the line that goes across it. So now let's right click on this one. So I'm going to the format shape. I want to format the shape over there. Alright, so the color of that shape, I'm just going to choose the green, which is right here. Alright, so I'll increase the size here a little. Something like this. Alright, so from there I'm going to edit the points. I don't want it to be straight like this. So when I select the shape this way, I'll easily go to the edit shape there. So under the shape format, you see it. So we'll just go to the edit shape. So we have the edit points here. So click on it. So you can see that we have four points across the shape. So let's click on the first one here. So when I click on the black pointer here, you see that we have these 2 points out. So the white one I'm taking off. So I'll just click this white one here and drag it inside like this. Something like this. Alright, so I can also click on this one to bring it out a little like this. So let me send this one also inside a little also. Alright, so from there I'm just going to click on this one to remove the points that I was editing. So the next thing again that I would like us to do is to make a duplication of this one. The duplication simply means making a copy of it. So to make a copy of it, the easiest way is to just press and hold the control key and drag. So the drag here is to click and drag. So like this to make a duplication of it. So this one I'm going to change the color of it to different color. So I just click on color here and choose the orange here. But it's not that I just want this orange. So I'm just going back to the color again. So now I'll move on to the more colors. So you see under the orange side, you see this pointer or cursor, let's say pointer. So I'll just click on it this way to drag it around and look for the color that I want. So let me increase here a little. Alright, so I think this one is okay. So now I'll gently come and place it here. Alright, so from there let's go back to the insert points also. The edit points. So I'll click on it this way. So when I now click on this one, I'll bring it out a little. I think like this. Alright, so now from there let's click on the send backwards to send it to the back. I think this way is not bad for our design. Alright, so the next thing again that I would like us to do is to go back to the insert tab. We are now going to insert a shape called circle. So under the shapes here, we have our circle here. So I'll usually draw it this way. Alright, so you can find a way of positioning your circle to fit your design. Alright, so I think this way is not bad for me. The top, let me close it to ellipse. Alright, so the circle here is now we want to insert a picture inside of this circle. So I just have to go to the picture or texture field. So from there I'll go to the insert there. So I'm going to insert the picture, and the picture is already in my device. So I'll go with work offline because I have it in my device already. So the picture is here. I'll easily click on it and click on insert. You see the picture has been inserted. So again, I want us to have an outline across it. There's the outline of it. You see there's one line that goes across it. I would like us to increase the size of it. So when I go to the bottom, under the line, so we have the width here. So I can easily change it to 5. And possibly the color of it, I'll change it to green. Alright, so I'll leave it this way. So the next thing again that I would now like us to do is to insert a couple of text boxes. So to insert a text box, we have to go to the insert tab. So from there we have text box here. Just click on it and click it to be inserted. Alright, so the text that I'm going to insert in there will be company name. So I have my company name like this. so I'll select it like this. So let's format it. I'll be choosing the semi bold. I'll leave it as 20. Alright, so the company name, that will be the company name. So there we have to have a logo here for it. So let's go to the insert tab. So wait, click on the pictures here to insert another picture there. So this is my logo. Alright, so let me gently place my logo around there. So let's reduce the size. Alright, so with this one also, let me reduce the size of it to the 18. Alright, so I think this way is okay. So another way of moving on further also is to make another duplication of this one. You know, we can't just be making copy and paste like that. It will delay our time, and also we can't just go back to the insert tab again to insert another text box. So that's why we are making use of the duplication to make our work faster and easier. Alright, so with this one I'm going to select all of it, so and I'm going to type business conference. So we have the business conference like this. Alright, so select it all. The size will be 40, and the font of it, we choose the area rounded. Alright, so let me gently place it here. Oops, I spelled conference wrongly. Alright, so the color of this one, let's change the color of the conference here. So we are changing it to the orange, the one that we edited earlier on, which is here. So you can see we find it at the under the recent colors there. Alright, so it's like the size is a little too much, so I'll reduce it a little. And this one also, let me reduce it a little. Alright, so again, let me make another duplication of this one. So I'm just going to make a duplication of this one here. So we have some a paragraph there. So I have my paragraph here already. So I just have to paste it there. Alright, so now I'm just going to change the color of that one. So from there I'll just click on this one to change the color of it. Alright, so I'll do it this way. So and gently align it to the left. Alright, so from there again, I would like us to go back to the insert tab. We are going to insert a line. So I'll go to the shapes there. So I have the line here. So I'm just going to draw a straight line here. So I think this way is okay. Alright, so from here we are going to increase the size. So we are giving it 2, 3. So the color of it, so we are choosing color black. Alright, so I can gently use my cursor here to move it closer. Alright, so I'm also going to stop there, and I'm also going to make another duplication here. So I'm stopping for this side, so I'm making another duplication here. So I want to change the text of this one also. So that one will be the date. So I'll go with July 22nd to 2025. So the color of it will be black. So I'm choosing black here. So I'll align it to the center. And the font of it, I'll choose the area rounded, and the size will be 20. Alright, so I can gently place that one also here and make another duplication here. And this one will be the time. So I'll go with 08. So 00, we have AM. So I'll choose the area black. The font I'm talking of, I'm changing the font. And the size is, so I'm making it 36. Alright, so I can gently align it here. So again, let's take this one and duplicate it to the bottom here. So edit that one later. But what I want us to do here is to add another shape. So just go to the insert tab. You can locate the shapes here. So I can click on this shape. That's the rounded rectangle. So I'll just draw it this way. So the outline, I'm removing the outline. And the color of it, I'll be choosing this color. And the text inside it will be joined as. So I'll select it this way. Go back to the insert tab, the home tab. So the font of it will be the area rounded, and the size will be 20. So the color of it, let's change it to the green. Let me make it 24. Alright, so let me gently close this one in. Alright, so I can gently align that one also here. So with this one, let's take it and edit that text in there. So I'll just select it all this way, change the font of it to the semi-bold, and the text also, the size will be 18. So the text inside there is going to be, for more info, contact us. Alright, so let's make a duplication here. So this one will be the contact information. So I'm going with plus 000 000. So I can gently place it here, make a duplication of this one. So change this one, is going to be the email. So you can go with support at gmail.com. Alright, so let's go and insert some two icons here for the phone and the email. So I have that one also in my device, so I just have to go to the insert tab, go to the pictures there. So I have it there, click on the phone icon. Let's insert that one first. Alright, so I can gently resize it. So to have a perfect view of it, you can easily zoom it in here. So when you zoom it in, you can have a perfect view of it. So you now know how to, or the size that you prefer to reduce it to. Alright, so I'll leave that one for now. So we'll go back to the insert tab again. Pictures. So this is the email. Alright, so this one, let me send it back a little. So we can gently align this one here. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. So let's take this one also. Send it back a little. Alright, so now let's take this one, the contact info, and this one. So we'll send it to the top a little. So let me scroll. Take this one also, and take this one. Send it to the top also a little. So I can zoom it in a little. Okay, we are not done there again. So I'd like us to make a duplication of this one also. So I'm just going to bring it here. So let's zoom it in. So I'm just going to clear all of this one. So I'm going to make full stop. I'll give space. Another one. Another one. So I'll just copy the thread of it this way. So paste it here, and paste it there. So let's align all of it, highlight all of it. So give it bold and choose this one. So the color of it also will be something like this. So I can make it this way. Alright, so now let's gently place this one here. So make a duplication of this one also to the top. So this one I can also rotate it this way and gently place it here. Alright, so let me zoom out so you can have a view of how our poster looks like. Alright, so the next thing again I would like us to do is to go back to the insert tab. So from there we are going to insert a shape. So it goes here. So the shape that I would like us to insert is right here. So just click on that shape, come and draw it this way. Alright, so you see the yellow pointers here. We'll use that one to close this one in. That's the size of it. So I'll close this one in also a little. Alright, so the outline of it, let's give it no outline. And the color of it, I'll choose this color. Alright, so I will close it in a little again. And close this one also a little. Alright, so I'll gently come and place it here to the bottom left corner. So make a copy of it. So that's the duplication. Alright, so I'll gently rotate it this way. And place that one also at the top left corner. Alright, so I think like this. So as you can see, everything is fit and nice. So thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.